In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and creatively crop an image with a mask in your presentation. If you're looking to add some flair to your slides, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. First, to get started, you'll want to insert your image. Navigate to the Insert option in the top menu, then select Image. Here, you have a few choices for sourcing your image. You can upload directly from your computer, pick an image from your Google Drive, search the web, and more. Choose whichever option works best for you and upload your chosen image onto the slide. Once your image appears on the slide, go ahead and click it. You should notice blue handles around the image. This ensures the image is selected and ready for the next steps. Now, let's move on to masking your image into a shape. A fun way to add a creative touch. You might notice the crop icon in the toolbar, which looks like a square with a diagonal line through it. However, don't click it just yet. Instead, click on the small down arrow right next to the crop icon. This drop-down menu reveals various options. Select Shapes, which will present you with a variety of shapes to choose from. Whether it's an oval, star, arrow, or rounded rectangle you're looking for, pick the one that best suits your presentation style. The image will instantly be transformed into the shape of your choice, giving it a new creative edge. Once you've masked your image into the desired shape, it's time to fine-tune how it looks within that shape. Double-click the masked image, and this will allow you to adjust its position and size. You can drag the image around to highlight the specific portion you want visible within the shape. The black cropping handles can be used to fine-tune exactly what part of the image shows and what stays hidden. Take a moment to play around until you're satisfied with the framing. When you're ready to finalize your adjustments, press Enter or simply click outside the image to apply the mask. Finally, after masking and adjusting your image, you might want to resize or format it further. To resize, click and drag the image using the corner handles. Holding the Shift key while you drag may help you maintain the proportions, preventing any distortion. For additional formatting options, go to Format, then choose Format Options. Here, you can adjust features like border color, transparency, and even add shadows to make your image stand out more. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted and masked your image into a shape, enhancing the visual appeal of your presentation. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating striking presentations with these handy techniques.